This is day 2 of the Whiskey Advent Calendar from Flaviar. We're doing this from Italy. I'm in Palermo in Sicily, and this is not my normal setup. Watch the first episode if you missed all the details about why I'm here or how I'm here. There's links below for our other YouTube channel. I've got the non-Glencairn glass. I've got day 2's bottle, and let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin, and thank you for stopping by. This is day 2 of the Advent Calendar, like I said in the intro. There's links in the details below if you want to find out what else to watch. Day 2 bottle looks like this. It's got the country of origin on the front, which I have not looked at. I'm trying to do these blind. It's a little trickier because I have to cut them out of a bag that's bubble wrapped, because I had to transport them to Italy. The story about that is in day 1, so go ahead and check that out. I'll do what I can with the glass I have and the information I have on hand. And cheers. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, much sweeter than day 1. Getting some malty notes in there. A little bit of like cake frosting sweetness. That's got a lot of burn. Again, I'm in Italy. I have been drinking whiskey in the past 2 or 3 weeks. I've been drinking a lot of wine. Wine is very mellow compared to whiskey. So every drink I've had of whiskey so far in the first couple days here has been pretty hot. I'm just not used to it anymore. It's strange how you get used to flavors. I'm getting some sour notes. I'm going to do this again because I thought I had some malty notes on those. Now I can't find those at all. This even tastes more like a rye to me, but the first nosing was sweeter. So that's very confusing. All right, let me see what the country of origin is. I'm guessing it's a U.S. rye, but we could be going down the wrong path here. Okay, it's product of the USA. Its alcohol volume is 50%. Day 2. Flaviar has an app now. The booklet is fairly useless unless you just like to handwrite the notes out. You can see that I've done day 1 already, and now day 2 is going to be revealed. What's my tastes? It gives you a way to rate it here in the app. So far, I'm still not a big fan of this one, so I'm throwing this one down a -2. A little bit too spicy for me, but had a nice sweetness on the nose. Okay, reveal the product. Day 2 is 100 rye whiskey. Tasty notes, fruit, figs, jam, mint, floral. I did get some fruit notes on the first nosing, and then the rye took over. I just could smell grass and kind of that spice. Leather maple, spicy apple. Okay. If you've watched my channel, you know I'm just not into rye. It just doesn't hit my palate right. I don't like rye bread as much either. I'm just not a rye person. So if you like rye, this may be just what you are looking for. For me, not so much. Looks like this has some interesting history from Central America, El Salvador. But it's using MGP's historic whiskey parameters and blends. So it's a rye that's based on something from MGP, which is a huge provider of whiskey for a lot of different distilleries. And, mint, spice, floral, botanicals, a lot of that just isn't hitting me well. I'm really happy that I got this as a rye because it tasted so much like a rye. And so did yesterday. I don't know what the mash bill is on that bourbon, but it certainly tasted like a rye, and I will not be investigating this whiskey any more than I already have. But if you like rye whiskeys, let me know in the comments. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers.